Our topic is about rate, time, and distance again. So we have bus 1 traveling at 40 kilometers per hour leaves Cagayan de Oro City for Davao City. 1 hour after, the second bus traveling at 50 kilometers per hour leaves for the same city. A car follows bus 2 traveling at 55 kilometers per hour 30 minutes after. How long will it take bus 2 to overtake bus 1? Which will arrive first if Davao City is 260 kilometers from Cagayan de Oro? Standard travel time is 5.25 hours. Now, let's go to the given. So, what are the facts? Bus 1 travels 40 kilometers per hour. Bus 2, 50 kilometers per hour. Now, let us solve first the first question. So, we have, let X be the time for B2 to overtake B1. And then X plus 1, the time of B1 to be overtaken. Y plus 1 because B1 is ahead by 1 hour. So it is plus 1. Now the formula for distance is rate times time, or RT equals D. So let us now go to the equation. 50 times T, now this is the distance to be covered by bus 2, is equal to 40 times quantity T plus 1. This is the distance to be covered by B1. So we have 50T is equal to 40 times T. You have 40T. 40 times 1, you have plus 40. Now, we know that we have to group the same terms or the same numbers. So, we will transpose 40T to the left side. That's why that becomes negative 40T. By the way, when we transpose any term or any number from the left to the right or from the right to the left, we have to change the sign always. And we are not changing any equality. I use transposition because I find it more, I find it easier and faster. Instead of adding negative 40T in the left and add negative 40T in the right, which is, I find it time consuming, I just use the transposition. Okay? So, 50T minus 40T equals 40. So, 10T is equal to 40. Solving 40, simply divide 40 by 10 and you will get 4 hours as the answer. Now, this means that B2 will overtake B1 after 4 hours. Okay? I think this is a very clear solution and very easy to understand. Now, let's go to the second question. The car travels at, wow, what happens to my voice? It's very nice. Never mind, I think despite that my voice is very nice, you can still understand the words or my explanation, okay? So, let us just proceed. Then we have bus 2 is ahead by 30 minutes, which is equivalent to 0.5 hours. So, let's now go to the equation. 50 times T is equal to 260 minus 50 times 0.5. Now, we are now solving the time of the bus 2. Now, why do we have to subtract 50 times 0.5, which is 25? It is because the bus is ahead by the car by about 30 minutes or 0.5 hour. So we have to get the net distance that the bus will travel up to Davao City. So we have now 50t equal to 235. Solving for t, simply divide 235 by 50 and then we will get 4.7 hours. Now let's find the time that the car will consume in traveling from Cagayan de Oro City to Davao City. So the equation is 55t, because its speed is 55 kilometers, is equal to 260. This is the distance of Davao City from Cagayan de Oro City. So solving for t, divide 260 by 55, we will get 4.73 hours. So you compare now the 2 hours. Bus 2 has time 4.7 hours. The car has 4.73 hours. So this means bus 2 arrives earlier or ahead of the car because it has a shorter time compared to the time consumed by the car. So it is bus 2 that will arrive first in Davao City by about 1.8 minutes, because 0.73 minus 0.70, that would be 0.03 hour. Divided by, multiplied by 60 minutes per hour. You have their hour. 60 minutes per, what happens? Never mind. No, we have to write this. So it is clear. Other students may wonder, where do I get the minutes? So that is, okay, 60 minutes per hour. So the time, the difference in time is 1.8 minutes. The bus 2 is ahead by 1.8 minutes over the car. So I hope that the the solution is very clear. I mean, the explanation is also very clear. So if you find this problem helpful in understanding somewhat difficult problems, because I consider this as a little bit difficult problem. So please subscribe and share so that others may also know how to solve problems similar to this. Thank you.